everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into ChatGPT application on your mobile device. To log into ChatGPT application on your mobile device is quite easy. First, download and install ChatGPT on your smartphone and launch the app open. You will then end up in this text box page. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner, and then if you don't have an account yet, you can tap on sign up once again and follow through the sign up process. If you want to log into your existing ChatGPT account, then tap on login at the bottom. Now click the continue button to end up in the OpenAI website. Here, you can go ahead and enter your email address associated with your OpenAI account, or you can also choose one of the options at the bottom where it says Google, Microsoft account, Apple, or phone option. I'm gonna type in my email address. Make sure to type in your correct email address you have an access to and that is registered with your ChatGPT account and click continue. On the next page, type down your password and then you will be able to log into your ChatGPT account just like that. Just make sure you have the correct credentials and you'll be good to go. You can easily log into ChatGPT with your email and password, Google or Apple login, and so on. Simply follow the prompts to select your account and there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.